Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to a big update. We've got a lot going on this year. We've been given some great opportunities that we want to bring you guys along to.
First things first, Castle Combe have invited us to work with them for the day at Spring Action Day.
Some of you might have seen on our social medias, we do post on the Facebook and the Instagram. They have actually invited Kenny and I to do what they're calling a club focus section.
Yes.
In which they are handing us the microphone to the tannoy. So the tannoy you hear all around the track, we are going to be taking control of that.
Yeah, now we're going to be doing this in the afternoon at some point. First things first, we're going to be, obviously, we have got a club stand as well, so don't forget to come check that out. We're going to be walking around the show in the morning doing our own video.
Yeah.
We will be doing a few videos that day, right?
Yeah, we are planning on doing a few videos. We are going to do our usual walk around, which everyone loves. We are going to try and feature as many cars as we can.
Yes.
Yeah, and then the biggest opportunity we've got, as we've said, the club focus that's Castle Combe handing over to us. We're going to be walking around the paddock. We're going to be walking around a few club stands and just
trying to, just interacting with owners and speaking about your cars. So if you're interested in that, we are probably going to be sticking more to the paddock section, so we won't be around the whole thing doing that.
Yeah, because logistically, it will be a bit of a nightmare. We've never done it before, so there's...
Yeah, this is a tester for everyone, to be honest.
Yeah, there's only a certain amount of planning we can do. But if you do see us, give us a wave, give us a hello.
Yeah, and come and see us. We've got stickers to give out as well.
Yeah, that's always... Yeah, everyone loves the stickers.
Yeah, come and see us for that.
So another idea for a video we've got on... this is Spring Action Day, by the way. I think we should say Spring Action Day, which is this Saturday, the 23rd of March.
Yes.
We've basically been given all access to Castle Combe Circuit, which is crazy.
It's insane.
So we do want to do a video of behind the scenes, and the thing I'm most excited about, I've been given the opportunity to go out with one of the drifters. So we've all seen it from the point of view of the side of the track. I am going to bring you guys along, put a camera inside the drift car with me. So we are going to see if they can scare me, and we're going to be going around the track.
Well, Rich, the events manager, we had a Zoom call with him just over a week ago. Yeah, big thanks to him and Sam at Flat Out Media.
Yep.
They basically said to us, one of you gets to go out in a drift car.
Kenny's face dropped. So luckily
we already knew who was going to be doing that. Do you know what I mean? So
and he has basically said anything they can do to accommodate. I mean, he literally said anything we can do to get you guys the best content.
Yeah, this is it. Now, which obviously gives you guys a better video.
Yes.
So our club stand is actually right by the actual paddock, by the pit lane, isn't it? We're opposite,
mega
so not far.
location.
Yeah, we've given a really good location as well. So once again, come and check us out. Come and say hello. And come and check out all our display cars.
Yeah, so we are thoroughly looking forward to that. It's going to be a mad day.
Yes.
But, yeah, the stand is going to be amazing. The video is going to be amazing.
Yep. Next up, another announcement.
Another big show.
Cruise Culture 2024. Now, it's their 10th anniversary. You guys, if you've seen us down there last year, we done the live interview zone. We've been invited back. Yeah,
we want to say a massive thank you to the organisers of Cruise Culture. I mean, they give us our own stage. And not only that, they asked us how we wanted to kit it out. They had the idea to do the Top Gear vibe.
Which was really awesome.
We were completely down with, and they just absolutely smashed it, as they do every time. Luke and Di, the main ones who we sort of liaise with, they just
they're fantastic, absolutely fantastic. We're going to catch up with them this Saturday, actually.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
So they've also got they got the motocross freestyle there this year instead of the big monster truck. They got the BMX freestylers, monster truck ride.
They've got the monster. I forget the name of the monster truck. No.
Oh, it's a big one.
Monster truck. Sorry. But it's got like 8 bucket seats in the back, so you can literally. Awesome. I want to see if we got time, I want to have a go at that.
Yeah, that'd be cool. And they got the little mini RC drift cars.
So if you haven't been to Cruise Culture, I'm sure you've heard of it. If you haven't been, I mean, we highly recommend it. There is, as Kenny always says, it's just fun for the whole family. As cheesy as that sounds, it is.
It's family day out.
They've got last year they had the fun fair. I would recommend going onto their website because they keep all the updates of what's happening on there. This year, they've given us the freedom to say you can do your live interview zone again.
Yeah.
We are already thinking of ways that we can get you guys more interacted, getting more.
Yeah, obviously it was a tester for everyone last year. This year we have got a few more ideas. What we're going to do is we're going to do the live interviews again, which is what we do.
Yeah, exactly.
But also we're going to do some feature cars. But we're going to try and do some like head-to-head. Is what I'm thinking. Have I actually spoken to you about this yet?
No.
So this is new to Drew. So anyway, in my head, what I'm thinking is if we had, say, 2 cars, similar vibe, let's use that word. Similar style, similar sort of brand, we can get them next to each other, we can talk about them, we can have a sit down, we can have a little rev off,
Apparently, yeah, I'm sure they said we will double check. We are allowed to make some rev sounds, which is going to be awesome.
Yeah, no burnouts.
But again, that's the way to get you guys involved. We'll get one to rev, the other to rev, and we'll get you guys to make the most noise to see which one you prefer.
If any of you guys got any ideas of what you want to see, let us know.
And once again, if you want to get involved with, because last year it was all about the interviews. A lot of people were put off by the actual interview side of it. This year, that's not going to be a problem because we're doing a section where we are just going to talk about your car. So as long as you've got a sense of humour and you can take a bit of honesty, drop us a message.
Because we will just have a laugh. We won't be too harsh or too critical, but we will take the mick. You know, it's what we do. That's what mainly I do.
Yeah.
So
again,
it's all a good
Cruise
fun.
Culture 2024.
August 25th. Had a bank holiday weekend again in Carmarthen. Now, I know a lot of people complained about trying to get in there last year. Now, they are working this year with the local law enforcement and traffic management, so it will be a lot easier to get in there.
Yeah, because it was just bigger than anyone ever.
Nobody expected it to be. Crazy. You know, it made Wales Online, didn't they, with the
that's right.
Traffic.
Yeah. So again, if you haven't done it, we highly recommend. And if you've been before, then you'll know. Get your tickets and get down there because this is going to be even better.
Exactly.
The next update we want to give you is obviously, I was going to say the vehicle situation, I think we should call it now. Yeah. I mean, yours is the main one at the moment. Yours is the limelight. Do you want to give an update?
Yeah, we're getting here with the mods.
Audi
massive,
TT, we should say.
Yes, the Mark 1 TT. Yeah, the build that we're doing at the moment. The livery and everything's done. Wheels and everything are on. It's going to be there at Castle Combe this weekend, so come and have a look at it. We've got more mods literally right next to me.
Yes.
We've got a big intercooler to go on it. I've got to go to Barry sometime this week as well and pick up a 3-slot front grill.
Oh, yeah, true.
We got the fuel pump to go in. I got a fuel pressure regulator to go in. That's got to be done during mapping though. So it's very, very close to getting mapped.
And in case you didn't guess, after all this, we are going to map it. Yep. We are heading down to TTC.
Yeah, we couldn't put it on the rolling road when I first had it because it didn't even make the normal road. So,
let alone a rolling one. Yeah.
No, exactly. As I said, we couldn't take it anyway because I had so many issues with that car. No, I'm actually daily at the moment because the MOT ran up on the A4 and I forgot. So I've been dailying it for the last week or so. And it will be for another week or so. But it's been great.
Yeah, which is no bad thing. Yeah,
no, exactly. It's a bit loud, but that's about it.
Yeah, it's very boomy.
It's very boomy.
Yeah.
But apart from that, it's nearly there, as in this year.
Yeah, the plans. It's exciting plans for it. We're happy with where it is now. Now you finally got all the issues sorted.
Yeah,
but it is going to be good, and there is more content coming up on it.
Yep.
The one I keep getting asked about, my Turbo MX-5, the UNOS. I'm going to call it a Turbo MX-5. I don't know. I haven't seen it for months.
I haven't seen it for years.
It is in. I'm sure most of you know now. I've started another job, and I kind of understand. It was in my old workplace, and as soon as I handed my notice in, it was. Got to get it out.
It wasn't in the year. So. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So I understand. It had to get moved. Luckily, I found someone in my new job that can finish off the welding because that's the only thing holding me back. I can't weld at the moment, so I need someone to do it. There's someone in work that can do it, but he's got a project on at the moment. So at the moment, that is in a storage unit. And it's just killing me because I'm paying for a storage unit. It's just sat there doing nothing.
And we want to see a boosted MX-5.
Exactly. It is absolutely killing me. So as much as it's annoying you guys, it's annoying me 10 times worse, trust me. And it's costing me a freaking fortune.
Yep, as it does.
But as soon as the welding is done, Tony has assured me, as soon as his is done, he's going to do a little bit of welding. I can start building it up then. That's when it's going to start getting interesting because I'm not relying on anyone else.
Yeah, this is it.
And we are going to do more content on it because loads of people seem to be interested, which is fantastic, but it needs to be in one piece to do some videos.
Yeah, exactly. They're on the road.
Yeah.
But so onto the bikes.
Yes.
Yeah, the bikes. Now, we've had a lot of people asking us when we go on a ride, can we plan a ride out this year?
Yeah.
We are going to do that. So if you guys are interested in coming along with us, just drop us a message. We'll give it like a date, probably give a couple of dates and see what the weather falls.
Yeah.
Say the Bandit there. I've just had my front tyre done and noticed a leaky fork seal.
Yep.
So that's another video coming up.
Yep.
Because I did, I was going to put it in, but we were like, hey, let's do some content.
Yeah, that's true.
So we've never done it. So
I do want to say, a massive thanks to, I don't know if there's anyone on here from the Owners Club or the Bandit Owners Club, but Kenny put a post out the other day, didn't mention the YouTube channel, just with the fork seals, and the response we got.
Yeah,
people asking, I've seen this on YouTube, this is... And it's nothing but positive feedback, so...
It's amazing. One of the one of the guys on there, we'll have to put his name up, actually bought his bandit because of our video.
That's incredible.
So,
that baffles me still.
Yes.
The advice that we give, well, we try not to give advice because we're idiots. But if you like, if you see something you think, oh, I agree with that, then if we can help, that's absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, exactly. Everyone's got their own opinions at the end of the day, haven't they? So we just like to hear ours online.
I know, like, even Tom said he's not a biker at all, doesn't watch bike videos, but he said he thoroughly enjoyed watching the ride-out video. So that sort of feedback is great. So we will be carrying on with the content.
Yep.
But for you car guys, don't worry, the car stuff's not going anywhere. So that's yours pretty much, isn't it?
Yeah.
My one is, I got a couple of things to do to it. My main thing is getting the carbs. What?
It's not like you.
We can't buy anything that works.
Yeah,
the carbs have needed doing since I bought it. Don't get me wrong, I've been enjoying it. Me and Georgia have been out on it and it's been absolutely fantastic. They're just such good bikes.
Yeah.
But I am going to sort of do a video when I do eventually strip it down and get the carbs off, because I've never done that before. So that's going to be an interesting one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And apart from that, I mean, they're just brilliant as they are, aren't they?
Yeah,
Once mine's running sweet,
exactly,
I'll be buzzing with it. So.
Yeah, that's it. They're still usable, but yeah.
What I do want to do is get them on a dyno. There's bound to be someone around that's got a bike dyno.
Yeah.
Because again, both same bikes, same. It'd be interesting to dyno them side by side and see what's what.
Yeah, that's it. Obviously, with the mileage differences and all the rest of it. So yeah. Feature cars.
Yeah, hang on, the Civic. I don't know. Sorry, the Civic. A couple of the Civic videos have gone down well.
Yes.
That is my daily, so that I don't know how much content is going to be on there, but I do enjoy.
You want modifying it.
Exactly. Yeah, it's getting a bit carried away. We are taking that to the Nürburgring, like I said, and a lot of people have been asking, are we doing the Nürburgring as an Accelerate trip? Absolutely, we will be. Probably hopefully later on in the year.
Yeah, we're hoping. Yeah, obviously it depends how everything goes money-wise.
Yeah, this is why me and Georgia are just doing the Nürburgring, because I've wanted to do it for years, so I'm just doing it. So there's a lot less planning involved, so we're just going to do it just because I want to get it out of the way, but we are going to do it where Kenny plans it, so you know it's going to be a good trip. And if you are interested, I know we've had a few people that want to, and like I said, if you're genuinely interested, it is going to be a time commitment. We're probably going to go for a long weekend, something like that.
Yeah.
So if you can't commit, then just... Yeah, if you can commit, just let us know if you're genuinely interested, because that's going to be a good one.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, feature cars.
Yeah, sorry.
Feature cars.
Feature cars.
They are coming back. We've got a couple booked in ready. We do want more. Now, we've had a lot of people at the end of last year. Yep, mine's going to be ready in the new year. And we had a lot of people last year saying that they're going to be ready.
Yeah.
So we just need people to drop us a message.
Yeah, obviously we don't know that. So if your car is ready, or if you know when it's going to be ready, roughly, let us know.
Yeah.
Big change now. Feel free to message the Instagram. Kenny is now checking up on the Instagram messages.
Yeah.
I am useless for replying. That's why Kenny is now taking over. So even if you've messaged before, don't feel like you're pestering us. Just drop us a message.
Yeah, don't feel like you've been ignored. It's just it gets overseen, obviously, with everything going on.
By me.
But now I've got it as access to it. Yeah. So, just drop us a message. Once again, if you have said to us before, just please drop a message.
And I've had a few questions. A few people say, they're like, oh, how much does it cost? We don't charge anything for this, guys. It's a two-way street. You get an awesome video out of it. We get some content, and we get to have a laugh with you guys. So it's absolutely free of charge.
Yeah, that's a good point, actually. I've had a few people say how much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just a good day out for everyone. It's a good. Everyone that comes out says they enjoy it.
Yeah.
So it is just a good day out. So yeah, no matter what car you've got, the worst we can say to you is it's absolute and we don't want to feature it. But no, we won't say that.
No, we're not that bad. We got his MX-5 on it.
So if you've got a cool car, even if you've got something interesting,
quirky,
just something we can do a video out of.
Even the review stuff. If you've got something quite modern and not even modified, just drop us a message, because our review stuff seems to go down really well as well. So we want to do more reviews.
That's a very good point.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, even if you think, they might not want to feature it, try us.
We
might,
we'll try and squeeze you in if we can.
Yeah.
So yeah.
But that's where we are at the moment, with the shows, with all the cars, with all the builds. We always say it is just hectic.
Yeah, well, that's why this week and next week video-wise is going to be a little bit scatty, I think.
Yeah.
Because of we've been, like I said, planning with Castle Combe.
Yeah, but the videos that are going to come from Castle Combe hopefully will make up for that, guys.
Yep.
And the show video I will get out as soon as possible, because I know you guys love watching the show videos as soon as they come out.
Yep. So channel wise, we're nearly at 8,000.
That's amazing.
8,000 subscribers. So please keep subscribing. You know, it doesn't cost you anything.
Yep.
And it helps us big time. View wise, over 1.56 million, I think now we're on.
Absolutely crazy.
It's insane. Absolutely insane.
What baffles me is like Castle Combe got in touch with us through the videos.
Yeah.
His culture found us through the videos.
Yep.
It's just mind-boggling. So again, we're so grateful for you guys. I know we're so busy and everything, but it is nice to stop and say we really appreciate every single one of you watching. And our regular viewers, honestly, you guys are absolutely phenomenal. Watching and commenting every video.
It's great. You know, we can't get over it really.
Yeah. I think I'll do it for now. We will see you guys at Castle Combe on Saturday. We know a lot of you guys are coming, so like I said, if you see us, come and say hello.
Yep.
And I think we'll leave it there. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.
Boom. There's a kid touching my car. I'm going to go and end it.